Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to download and install the MPV player in your Windows. So guys, for this, first of all open your Chrome simply. Then here after open, you simply search the option of install MVP for Windows. Now guys, here you see that it is first link. So you just go mvp.io.installation. Just go here and you can download from these link. Okay, choose according to you. And if you download from here, so guys, you go here MPV player for the source host and simply download and wait for a few seconds. It it will complete. Okay, then it generate the link, and guys, here you see that the installation is download. Okay, so double click to unzip, and guys, click the option of update. So this is the way that you can do. And MPV player. So guys, thank you.